10 Facts About Earthquakes. Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video we will show you 10 facts about earthquakes. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So let's get started. Earthquakes can be one of the most devastating natural disasters, shaking the ground and causing damage to buildings and infrastructure. While they are often unpredictable, there are a few facts that can help us understand earthquakes better. Here are the top 10 facts about earthquakes. Fact number 1. Earthquakes are more common in certain countries due to them being on the edge of tectonic plates. Tectonic plates are the outer layer of the Earth. They are made of rock and are constantly moving. Fact number 2. The USGS as the largest earthquake ever reported was centered in Chile back on May 22, 1960. It measured a magnitude 9.5. It's estimated to have killed more than 3,000 and caused $550 million in damage, $5 billion in 2021. Adjusted for inflation, the largest earthquake ever reported in the United States was a magnitude 9.2 that happened in Alaska. The March 28, 1964 earthquake is estimated to have killed 131 and caused $400 million in damage, $3.5 billion in 2021, adjusted for inflation. Fact number 3. Mega-earthquakes can shorten the length of a day for the entire planet. NASA says that large earthquakes can shift Earth's axis, thus changing the length of the day. The change of the day's length is not noticeable to the naked eye and is measured in microseconds, 1/1,000,000 of a second. Scientists believe the 2004 magnitude 9.1 Sumatran earthquake shortened the length of the day by 6.8 microseconds. Fact number 4. The larger the earthquake, the greater likelihood the ground will shake longer. Because most earthquakes are weak, the shaking only lasts for a few seconds. In the rare mega-earthquakes, it is possible that shaking will last a couple of minutes. Experts say just because the shaking ends doesn't mean that the tectonic event is over. Aftershocks can last for months or even years after the main event. The USGS as these mini-earthquakes are caused by the readjustments of fault. Generally, the greater the original quake, the more aftershocks there will be. Fact number 5. No one, not even the best scientists at the USGS, can predict an earthquake. Experts say it's because the mechanisms that trigger shaking happen so far under the ground in slow motion. But advances in recent years have given people a better time frame of when to expect an earthquake. Experts at Caltech say early warning systems have gotten better at alerting people ahead of the main event in recent years. Systems like Shake Alert detect the first waves generated by shaking and can alert people before the arrival of an earthquake's more significant waves. These earthquake alerts give people seconds to prepare. Fact number 6. After a big earthquake, aftershocks will often happen. An aftershock is one or more small earthquakes after the main one has occurred. This is because of the Earth's crust adjusting to the effect of the main earthquake. They can be very dangerous as buildings might already have damage to them from the large earthquake, and so it can often cause them to fall. Fact number 7. The shock waves that travel through the ground are called seismic waves. They are very strong at the center of the earthquake. The waves travel to the surface, and this is when the ground shakes and destruction happens. Fact number 8. Scientists use something called the moment magnitude scale to measure how strong an earthquake is. This scale measures the energy that is released by the earthquake, which makes it very accurate. In the past, scientists used something called the Richter scale, which measured the size of the seismic waves. However, this wasn't as accurate as it could have been. Fact number 9. An earthquake has to start somewhere. The place where an earthquake starts is called the hypocenter. It is always underground, below the Earth's surface. Fact number 10. The most recorded earthquakes happen in Japan. This is because Japan is within something known as the Pacific Ring of Fire. This is on the edge of the Pacific Ocean and is where there is a tectonic plate edge. Other countries that are affected are Philippines, United States, Chile, and more. Due to this, they suffer more earthquakes than some other countries, like the UK for example. So this was our today's video. I hope you all liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.